It moves slow, but this beast can pull a ton through thick mud like it's nothing. The Carabao isn't just strong, it's been the backbone of survival for centuries. Wait till you hear what makes its mud bath so genius. Used for generations in Filipino farms, the Carabao's strength is unmatched. Pure muscle and endurance. It loves wallowing in mud, not for fun, but as natural sunscreen and insect armor. Calm, loyal, and tireless. It's carried families, plowed fields, and built nations. When life gets heavy, the Carabao just keeps moving. Would you survive a day doing a Carabao's work? Follow Beast Gist for more real-life animal legends from the wild.